Hi guys, this is Bullish Filler Academy here again. Trust we are doing great. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be walking us through my bias for this new week on EURUSD and maybe some other pairs on the charts as time will permit us. But before I go ahead, I want to ensure us that as many of us that have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, I want us to subscribe on the YouTube channel and also turn on the notification buttons. So we are currently on 255 and my goal is to take this channel to 1K, and I know we can do it. So I have videos and I also have shorts that you want to watch. I also have videos too for you. I have videos on how to identify and mark key levels like a pro trader, how I over leverage and it affected my accounts. I also have key elements of a winning trading journal. I also have videos on a market structure secrets where I was able to explain in details change of character and break of market structure, so how you can actually understand it and also use it to make gains from the market. I also have video on Fibonacci 2. Now this is a complete video on how to use Fibonacci 2. If you don't know how to use it, you can come and watch the video. Then I have breakdowns of some of the trades I've taken in the past. So I want you to take your time to actually watch these videos and also subscribe. So we are looking at taking this number from 275 to 1,000 followers before December, and I know it's achievable. Alright, so without much ado, let's go to the chart. And so this is EURUSD. On my watch list, I have 8 currency pairs on my watch list, but most of the time I trade EURUSD. I've been trading EURUSD for some time now. So I have EURJPY, EURUSD, USD GBP AUD, NZD USD. I have gold too, and I have USD JPY. So we are going to be starting with EURUSD. EURUSD. This is one of the pairs I love so much. Alright, so now like we all know, when it's time to analyze the markets, you're expected to start from the higher time frame, then you come down to the lower time frame, and that is what is called there's a name they call it, the top-down analysis. Top-down analysis means that you start from the higher time frame, and the reason why you're starting from the higher time frame is that you want to have an overview of the market. You want to have a direction of the market, because once you are coming down to the lower time frame, there is a lot of noise and there's less direction. But if you really want to know where the market is headed in the long run, you start from the higher time frame, either the weekly or the daily or 4 hours. So I start from 4 hours, then I come down to 15 minutes to now check or to now locate my point of interest or my supply or demand zone. Right, so we'll be starting from the 4 hour time frame. Now this is EURUSD on the 4 hour time frame. Please, I want us to listen carefully. Last week we had a downtrend. We had a downtrend last week. So as you can see, we had downtrend all throughout last week. So on Friday I took a trade. On Friday. Now I was anticipating that the downtrend was going to continue. So what I did was that let me explain this source. So you can see this was where the market closed on Thursday. Then the market opened here on Friday, and the market began to give us a bullish order flow. Can you see? The market was giving us a bullish order flow. Can you see? High, low, high, low, high. Can you see? You understand? High, low. So when the market began to give us this bullish order flow, I was waiting because I was still expecting that we were still going to have a bearish trend, so I was waiting. But it got to a time where we had something like this. So when the market got here, okay, this is 15 minutes time frame. So this was the last low that we had here. Okay, I think I'm coming. There was a low we had here. Okay, high, low, high. Then immediately I saw that this low. Immediately I saw this low that has taken out, that has swept all this liquidity. Immediately I saw this low, I gave a signal on my group that I want to go short. So I was waiting for a reversal. Once I see a reversal, then I want to sell. And that was exactly what I did. Immediately I saw immediately I saw the reversal, so I entered a sell on the trade. So I took a sell on the trade. I don't know where my sell has gone to. So I took a sell on the trade on Friday. I think around this place. I took a sell around coming. I think I took a sell around this place. Okay, network. I think I took a sell around. Oh, what's wrong with our network? So I took a sell network. So I took a sell around I think this place. So the market went down a bit, then came up, came to my stop loss area, then later came down. So the market gave me some profits. But when it got to this level, when it got to this demand zone, you can see there was a strong bullish candle that started forming. You understand? And you can see the market started going up. So that means this sell or these bearish candles were just fake out the intent. Okay, my network is back. So the intent was actually probably to deceive traders, and I was actually deceived too because I already made some money, but the market took me out. Although it took me out at break even, I moved my stop loss closer, a little bit below break even, so I made little profits. So all the money I made, so you can see where I entered the trade here. I entered the trade from here. Now the reason why, let me explain the reason why I took a sell here. Because for every trade I take, I make sure that there's a reason why I'm taking it. I'm not just trading blindly. So I was expecting that the downtrend will still continue. That was one. Then number two, we had business listing. We had a push, a pullback, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then we had higher high. Then we had higher low. Can you see? Then we had this next higher high. We had this next higher high. So this low now, after this high, I was expecting that this low will not be taken out. So I was expecting another higher low around here, then before another higher, but instead you can see that there was a pullback. This low now has taken out this last low. Can you see? So immediately I saw this, I was like, okay, I think we want to sell. So I expected a pullback, you can see, to like 50%. Then I took my sell. Can you see? And this was my target for that day. So you can see it came down, then came back, took out this high, then came down again. So the sell was going fine, but you can see when it got to this demand zone, there was a push up. You can see we had strong bullish candle that day. And, you know, candlestick is another confluence I usually make use of. So when I saw the strong bullish candle, I knew that, you know, this price is still going to come up. It's still a bullish trend. So although, like I said, it took me out at break even, you know, break even. So it went up. You can see we had a new high that took out this last high. Can you see? So immediately this last high was taken out, I already knew that this is going to be an uptrend, that the uptrend will continue. So we are not in a downtrend, we are actually in an uptrend. So immediately this last high was taken out. Can you see? Immediately this last high was taken out. So I knew that I think we are beginning a new trend, which is a bullish trend, an uptrend. You can see. So now, as it is now, what we are having now is that we are having, because this was where the market closed on Friday. So this is the last low. Can you see? This is the last low, and this is the last high here. So this is the last high here. So what I'm expecting that the price is going to do, once price opens tomorrow now, since this is already giving us a bearish intent, I'm expecting that the price will come down. I'm expecting that we are going to have a pullback, maybe to this level here, maybe to a pullback to 50% of this push, this impulsive move from here to this place. We look for like 50%, a pullback. Price will either get to this here and clear this liquidity, then it will go up, or price will come down. Now this is the last low. Now this low here is not expected to be taken out. So it's either that price gets here and continue the uptrend, or price come down. If price doesn't reverse from here, price can come down and get to this low here. This is the strong low, or a protected low. So it's either that price gets here and continue going up, or price come down here and clear this low, or come down a bit. There are sometimes that, you know, price can come to take out this liquidity. You know, don't forget that liquidity validates your zone. So wherever there is liquidity, you always see price going there to, you know, to play around there to make money. So you can see it's not that price will come here to then it will go up and it will continue the uptrend. Can you see? So this is going to be my expectation for tomorrow trade. Are you there? But if price now do something like this, so if price now do something like, if by tomorrow the market open and price did something like this, and price now takes out this low, once price take out this low here and it gives us a reversal, then I may want to take a sell from here. I may want to take a sell from this zone here. Yes, I may want to take a sell from here, because I'm not expecting that price will take out this low. Please, let's listen attentively. Now these are simple things that most traders don't know. You understand? So now this is the last low, this is the last high. Once price opens tomorrow or this night, I expect that price will come back, you know, to clear liquidity. You understand? Then price will always come back to clear liquidity so that I can have strength to move. Or if price doesn't come to clear liquidity here at this zone here, you might want to come down here. So this is like the primary zone or primary point of interest. If it doesn't clear here, it can still come down, you understand, and come and clear liquidity here. And this is now the last low. It mustn't go below this. So it's either it comes here to clear here or come down to clear from here, understand? But if price now opens tomorrow and come down and take out this low like this, then once it gives me an incomplete pullback like this and it's already giving me a bearish intent, then I might want to take a sell. That means once it does that, that means this external liquidity now will now be taken out. This external liquidity here will now turn to a weak liquidity, then it's going to be taken out. I hope you are getting it. So as simple as that. So this is going to be my bias for tomorrow. But my bias for the new week is that I'm expecting a bullish trend rather. Can you see? So my bias for this new week on Eurusd, I'm expecting a bullish trend. For this new week, I'm expecting a bullish trend. Let me remove all this. I'm expecting a bullish trend for this new, but don't forget that even if I have a bias, I don't just go into the market and just enter the trade. So what I do is that I wait for price to react. I wait for price to act, then I can react. So I wait for price to act, then I can react. So so this is like a demand zone. Can you see? This is a demand zone or a support zone. If you look close now, you see that that was the same thing that happened here when price got here from this level here. See, started going up. You understand? When it came down again at this point, you can see that price has mitigated this level more than once or twice. So this was the first time. Please listen attentively. Price has mitigated this level once, twice, then this is the third time. Can you see? This is the third time. So I'm expecting a bullish trend now. And see, for this new week, I'm expecting a bullish trend. I'm expecting a bullish trend for this week. But if we now have price come back to take out this low, once price comes to take out this low, then that means the downtrend will still continue. So once price take out this low, I'll just expect a reversal. You know, this is like a break and retest, break, retest. Then that means that we'll continue our sell. So we are going to continue. But if not, I'm expecting that price will continue to go up. So this is going to be my bias for Eurusd. Alright, so let's look at one other pair or two other pairs and let's see. Let me see EURJPY. I've not been trading EURJPY for some time now. I think the price has always been consolidating. Can you see? This is a bullish trend anyway, but it's not really strong. Can you see? So this is a bullish trend, but it's not really strong. Can you see? Okay, let's look at here's the CHF. Let me see. Here's the CHF is not looking clear too. This is on a forward time frame. So we're having a downtrend. You can see we're having an uptrend already. This structure, this last high has been broken. So let me go to, it's not looking clear to me. GPP AUD. GPP AUD. It's not clear to me. Alright, I think NZD-USD. NZD-USD, this is forward time frame. Let me see. What trend are we having here? Okay, for like 1 week now, we'll be having a downtrend. And what other thing do we have here? Okay, so I think this way. So I won't be analyzing any other other ones I'm looking at. They're not really clear to me, so I'll just stick with EURUSD now for now. Alright, so this is my analysis for EURUSD. Here's my analysis for EURUSD. So I'm going to keep my fingers crossed till tomorrow by the grace of God. So we'll see how the price play, then we can follow the price. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Can you see? We currently have 275, and then we want to take this 275 to 1K followers before December 31st. So I need you all to come and subscribe and also turn on the notification button. So I have a lot of videos for you here that I'm not even charging you for it. They are just free of charge, and I took time to record the video. So I want you to watch those videos. Just watch everything, and you can always come back to watch and backtest. Watch it and backtest. You understand? These are videos that are of value to you. They are going to change your trading life, I tell you. Right, so this is where we are going to end the class for today. So thank you so much for watching. And also, what's it called now? If you want my one-on-one mentorship, you are going to see the link. You will see this link in my channel. So you can reach out to me on this link, my Telegram link, Instagram link, or X link. You can reach out to me on any of this link and just send me a DM. I'm going to reply if you want my one-on-one mentorship. You understand? If you want my one-on-one mentorship. And also, if you're looking for the broker to use, and make use of Exness, so you can also reach out to me. My link is on the channel. You can check out from my Exness link is there, so you can actually register using my link. And like I said, also don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos too. Subscribe, like, and also drop comments. If you want me to do any topic you want me to make a video on, just drop it there. So, and if you have any question, you can also drop it in the comment section. I'm going to be replying all your comments. I'm going to be replying all your messages. Alright, so this is where we're going to stop in for today's class. So I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.